This video will teach you how to navigate the LCD gauge of your CAT UTV and provide deeper explanation of the diagnostic menu. The left button shifts the top display through the speedometer, RPM, and clock. The middle button shifts the middle display through the speedometer, RPM, clock, odometer, trip 1, trip 2, and engine hours. The right button shifts the bottom display through the coolant temperature, battery voltage, and fuel level. This section can display the speedometer, tachometer, and clock. When the speedometer function is selected, approximate vehicle speed will be indicated. Press and hold the left button to shift between miles per hour and kilometers per hour. When the clock function is selected, time will be displayed. Press and hold the left button to set the clock. Next, press the middle button to choose the hour and minutes. Press the left or right button to set the hour, then press the middle button to choose the minutes. Press the left or right button to set the minute. When the proper time has been set, press the middle button to return to the main gauge display. When the tachometer function is selected, RPM will be displayed. This section displays the engine hours, odometer, trip meter, speedometer, tachometer, or clock. Press the middle button to choose which parameter is being displayed. The engine hour meter and odometer cannot be reset. To reset the trip meter, select it, then press and hold the middle button until the trip meter display reads 0. This section displays coolant temperature, battery voltage, and fuel quantity. Press the right button to change which parameter is being displayed. Press and hold the right button to see the actual values associated with the mode selected. This section displays the gear position indicator, which shows which gear is selected. You can switch between park, reverse, neutral, high, or low. This section displays the rear axle lock indicator and the drive select indicator. You will see an X between the rear wheels when the axle lock has been engaged and an O when it is disengaged. An O will be displayed between the front wheels when the 4x4 mode is selected. This section will display the seatbelt reminder indicator when the seatbelt is not engaged. Each time the ignition switch is turned on, the indicator will illuminate on the speedometer until the operator's seatbelt is secured to remind occupants to wear their seatbelts. This section displays the engine management malfunction indicator. A diagnostic trouble code and engine icon will only be displayed on the LCD information gauge if an error has occurred. This will continue to be displayed until the error is corrected. For more information on the trouble code meeting, refer to your operation and maintenance manual. To get to the advanced settings mode, you will hold down the left and right button at the same time. You will be able to scroll through the diagnostic, advanced, clock, and part number functions by pressing the left button. To enter any specific setting, you will press the middle button. Within the diagnostics menu, you will find the battery voltage, coolant temperature, intake air temperature, air pressure, throttle position sensor percentage, speed, RPM, fuel, engine control module and electric power steering, accelerator position sensor signal, and brake switch signals. On gas models, you have the ability to set a speed limiter within the advanced menu. Increase or decrease the set speed by pressing the left and right buttons and then press the middle button to continue. When you scroll down to the advanced password, press the right button to enable it. Use the left and right buttons to increase and decrease the numbers and press the middle button to set it. The clock menu allows for you to change the time and clock settings the same as you did before. The part number menu allows you to view the gauge statistics. This concludes the video on how to navigate the different functions of the diagnostic menu. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local participating CAT UTV dealer.